Hello students, we will see the next chapter of your science, microorganisms, friend and foe. Friend and foe. Foe means enemy. So microorganisms, why we are calling that enemy? Because they may be harmful in some way to us. So that is why they are called foe. Foe means enemy. So we will see what are microorganisms. Microorganisms are living organisms which we normally cannot see with naked eyes, which normally cannot be seen. Don't write v there, that's not needed. Which normally cannot be seen with naked eyes. They are also called microbes. Naked eyes means without using microscope or without using any other equipment we cannot see microorganisms. We need microscope or we need some other equipment for seeing them. So that is why they are called micro means very small. Microorganism, they are also called microbes. Now microorganisms are classified into four major groups. What are the four major groups? Bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae. Bacteria, you can see the picture there. Bacteria, they are like your curd is made with the help of a bacteria. We will be studying that. Bacteria, fungi, mushrooms, you have seen. Even penicillin which you eat, that is an antibiotic. It's made from penicillium, which is a fungi. Protozoa, you can see here paramecium, euglena, amoeba, and plasmodium. It is the one, it is a microorganism which is responsible for malaria. Algae, you can see here, you might have seen in some water body when there is not much of cleaning is not done, or that water body is left like that for some time. There are green colored structure on it, that is algae. So these are the four major group of organisms, that is bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae. Okay. But apart from this, there is another microorganism, that is virus which we have been listening now too much, coronavirus, isn't it? Now why are we considering virus separately and we are not putting that in this group, bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae group? Because they are inactive outside the body, but they are active only when they enter inside the body. When a virus will be inactive outside the body, but when it enters in our body it becomes active. That is why you are told to wear mask or wear gloves and all, because if you touch a surface which is having coronavirus now, and you touch with that hand, you touch your mouth or nose and all, that virus will get into your body. That virus will, after getting inside our body, it will reproduce and it will divide, which will cause the disease. So that is why viruses are microscopic and they reproduce only inside the cells of the host organism. Host means us, inside which the virus is getting in, which may be a bacterium, plant or animal. It can be plant also, or animal also, or human being or bacteria, anything. The viruses can get inside anything. Now, common ailments like cold, influenza, and it is repeated again. So, common ailments like cold and influenza. Cold, influenza is a higher risk like cold only. So, in that case, also the viruses, they affect the body. Serious diseases like polio and chickenpox. Polio, you might have seen some children from the birth itself, their legs or hand is not properly developed. That is because of a polio virus. And that poliomyelitis, that is the name of the virus. And chickenpox, again virus. For all these, vaccinations are available now. You might have seen when you have seen your vaccination card. If you have seen your vaccination card, or you ask your parents to show your vaccination card, you might have seen you may be given vaccination for all these diseases. Then again, coronavirus, that is the one which is the hero nowadays. That virus is destroying the whole world. So and scientists, they are trying to find out vaccination for coronavirus. And if we find that, then this coronavirus can be prevented from killing people or from making the people sick. Now coming to microorganisms, they can be single celled or unicellular or multicellular. Single celled, cell means the basic unit of life. Like a wall is made up of bricks, similarly a body is made up of cell. So microorganisms, they may be having only one cell, that is single celled or unicellular. Example, bacteria, some algae and protozoa. They may be multicellular, that means having many cells. We are having many cells, we are multicellular. So their examples are algae and fungi. So in microorganisms, they may be unicellular or multicellular. Now these microorganisms, they can survive in all types of environment. They may be found inside the body of animals or humans, or they may grow outside freely also. Okay, and they can survive in any environment, any type of, like it is too cold also they can survive, it is too hot also they can survive in any type of environment. Microorganisms like amoeba can live alone, while fungi and bacteria live in colonies. So amoeba, you have studied in 7th standard, it changes its shape. It can live alone. While fungi, mushrooms, you have seen they live in colonies. Bacteria like yeast, they live in colonies. So these are the main features of microorganisms. Now your homework for today is, you have to draw the diagram of microorganisms, which is given in page number 18 of your science textbook. First homework was the homework which I had given to name the harvest festival. You have to write homework number 1. You have to write the index as harvest festival. Homework number 2, you have to write microorganisms. Please write the index also. You draw these diagrams of microorganisms. Thank you.